Welcome to this demonstration of Omnidex. In this demonstration, we'll be looking at the Power Search feature. In the early days of the internet, life was hard. You could search for a website, but you had to know the exact address. Later, you could search for exact words to find a web page, but there was no feature that corrected your spelling or asked, "Did you mean this instead?" A mistake meant a failed search, and you had to try again. Today, we rely on search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing to make searching the internet easy. We just type in a few words and the search engine does the rest. Omnidex is a database search engine. It brings the capabilities of an internet search engine to your database. You see, people don't think like a database. You need to let your database think like you. Just like with the internet, you should simply type in a few words and find what you're looking for. Power Search uses an intelligent search to find your data, even when your words are not exact. Let's see it in action. This is a standard web page for finding individuals in a database. If you know the way the data is stored, you can usually find the person. For example, we may know an individual named William Myers who lives on 825 5th Avenue in New York, New York, zip code 10021. We seem to have found the person, and we can look at his record just to make sure. Our information about this person is different, though. We know him as Bill Myers. We're not exactly sure how to spell his last name, but we do know that he lives on 852 5th Avenue in New York. And we think the zip code is 10022. Our information was good enough, we found the row, and now we can take a look at it. We used a first name of Bill rather than William, and we spelled his last name differently. We also transposed the street number 825 into 852 and fully spelled out 5th Avenue. We completely misspelled New York and used an adjoining zip code of 10022. Nevertheless, Power Search was able to find our row. Power Search can also be used with phone numbers and email addresses. In this example, area codes 646 and 212 are both used in the New York area, and the phone number was transposed. In the second example, we know his email address is through Cornell University, but we may not spell it correctly. In both of these cases, Power Search still found the row. It is even possible to show the available values for a column, just like an internet search engine. Power Search will only display the choices that are available based on previous criteria, and can even show the current counts for each entry. Power Search accomplishes this flexibility using an intelligent search. Each column has a separate context, and the intelligence needed is different. First names require a synonym list that correlate nicknames and formal names, such as Bill and William. Last names require a phonetic search to locate differently spelled names that sound the same. Street addresses require a variety of synonym lists for abbreviations such as street and avenue. They must also find misspelled street names and transposed street numbers. Cities require common abbreviations like LA or NY, and also must find misspelled cities. Zip codes require a search of adjoining zip codes within a 2 to 3 mile radius. Power Search comes configured for the most common searches, but it can also be customized to meet the unique needs of each application. In the end, there is an intelligent search for every application that allows the database to think like you. Thank you for watching this demonstration of Omnidex. Please feel free to visit the following links to find out more information.